Hello, what's up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Viruga254. So thank you so much for always coming back and watching my video. So today is a beautiful day. So we are going to hunt. I'm going to hunt actually birds. So first of all I want to collect stones. So I'm here with my friend. Maybe he can say hi to you people. Yo.
This is your boy.
Yeah.
We are here collecting stones as we prepare to go and hunt birds.
Have you ever hunted birds?
Yeah, I've done that before.
You have done that before? Yeah. So this is not your first time?
First time.
So guys, I'm accompanied with my friend. He's called Kelly. So we want to go to the other side. So first of all, we want to collect stone. Then again, so don't make sure you watch the video to the end so that you grab the concept of hunt birds. Okay, Kelly, you can hold for me. So where do we place them?
Where we have a pocket. And this pocket of mine is holding some things. And there is this space here.
So let us just collect as many as we can so that we don't come out again to collect.
The screen goes off.
You can just tap the screen.
Oh yeah. Pause.
You. There's a lot of birds here.
Yeah.
I think we should just find a place. Guys, this is the nest, the bird's nest. You can see this is the entry. That was just by the way. So in the next video I'll be showing you, we'll be going to hunt some birds, serious hunting, guys. So anyway, if you open the video in the middle, kindly, if you haven't subscribed, take a moment and subscribe. Remember, it's Mruga 254. Comment, like and share. Bye bye.